Hello and welcome to hot and sunny Fort Worth, Texas. I am Debbie Bird with League Real Estate, and today we are going to see a luxury new construction home. I do not know if you're like me, but I love an older home. I love the character, I love the style, I just love all of the dimension. The thing I don't like is that it doesn't have the modern amenities, and sometimes the plumbing's old, or the foundation's rough, or it just really doesn't fit a modern lifestyle. So there's a little bit of give and take, but not today. Y'all, I am Debbie Bird with League Real Estate, and I am about to show you a brand new build from one of my very, very favorite builders in Fort Worth. In fact, it might be my favorite builder in Fort Worth. This is Blue Quail Builders. And this porch, I cannot wait to tour this home with you. So let's go.
Okay, y'all can see right away from the porch and the front of this house that it does not look like new construction. Everything you're going to see in this house is made to look like the old houses we love. Only it's got so much things unseen that are just really outstanding. So as you look over all of this stuff, you're going to see this is kind of this is counted as a bedroom. It's got a bathroom on it. They're using it. They have it set up as an office, and you can, kind of do whatever you want with it. You could use it as a bedroom downstairs, or you could use it as an office. I really like the office option, and it's got a really heavy sliding door right here. And speaking of doors, the doors in this home are not the typical hollow core doors that you see in most builds. They are solid pine doors. Look at this gorgeous dining room. I just love all the light. I love the light fixtures, the trim. It all is just so extra. And then here we have a butler's pantry, which is one of the features I really love that Blue Quail puts in a lot of their homes. And then we go into this kitchen, and look at that island. It's just so special. It feels like an antique piece of furniture or something. The beams on the ceiling, refrigerator, everything just looks so special. So another thing you're not going to see besides the doors is the insulation. So whereas typical houses these days have a lot of fiberglass insulation in the walls and attic, the Blue Quail homes have spray foam insulation, and in the bathrooms and laundry areas, they have a batt insulation to ensure sound dampening. Okay, so one of the things that I mentioned in the intro is foundation. I don't know if you've heard anything about Texas foundations, but they can get rough. We have a really dry and then wet climate, so the soil expands and contracts, and it causes foundations to move in Texas. You have to be very diligent in maintaining them. Well, this foundation is pier and beam, which offers a lot of benefits like in-floor registers, access to plumbing and mechanical systems, and a gentle cushioning effect on your knees and joints because of the flexibility in the flooring. And with that foundation that's pier and beam comes a crawl space. Now we see these in old homes, we just don't see them in any new homes in Texas. Maybe in other places you still have crawl spaces, but not here in Texas. But the crawl spaces are spray foam insulated and equipped with a dehumidifier and a sump pump. This establishes a controlled area beneath the first floor of the house, preventing problems caused by exchange of unconditioned air and moisture between the crawl space and living areas, ensuring a more stable environment within the house. Okay, here on this second floor, we've got 3 bedrooms. This primary suite is so fantastic. Double vanities. There's a toilet back there in the corner. Beautiful tub that's freestanding. Shower. Hello. A little glimpse into the backyard. And look at this beautiful closet. then, of course, the primary bedroom. And that is a detached garage out there. And then we have another floor. As far as location goes, this home is in Bel Air Heights, and it's zoned to Westcliff Elementary, which is in the Fort Worth School District. So it's walking distance over to Texas Christian University. Now upstairs is a game room. Now you could make it a movie theater, you could make it an exercise room, you could have kids that want to play and put a ping pong table up here or something like that. It's just a really fun extra space. All right, we'll take a look back downstairs. We'll walk back through so you can kind of get a glimpse again of where we are in the floor plan. Got laundry on that same level as the bedrooms. And then we'll go take a look at the back porch and outside in the backyard. Really everything in this house feels so special, from the doorknobs to the cabinet knobs to the sinks and the light fixtures. It just all feels so special. I would love to hear in the comments what your favorite part about this house is. Would you buy this house? Would you like to live in a house like this that looks old but is not? I'd love to hear about it in the comments.
Hey, I am Debbie Bird again with League Real Estate, and today we saw a Blue Quail builder's home. It is my favorite builder in Fort Worth because they just infuse so much character into everything they build, and I just adore it. So if you are interested in building a Blue Quail home, or if you would like one of their ones that is already built, I would love it if you reached out to me and I could help you on that journey. Y'all have a fantastic day, and I will see y'all next time. Bye-bye.